New way to enhance low quality videos to 4K high definition. No one shared with you till the date. 20 free credits up to 1 minute of enhancement. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you find new to my channel. Subscribe to support for more videos like this one. 80 plus videos available regarding video enhancer. First time create account. This is the Astra AI from the Topaz Labs. Turn on desktop mode and we have this type of interface. Click on upload button to upload your video. This will take some time for uploading depending your internet. Once uploaded, the video will be very close to the credits. You can see the preview on the top left side. We have all the settings available in the enhancement. Two separate options available, precise and the creative. In the creative, we have the Starlight AI, which is the flagship model for the AI enhancement by Topaz Labs. So you can set the resolution 1080p 4K frames per second up to 120 fps, and you can make it up to 8 times slow as well. In the precise, we have much more the past professional AI models like Proteus, NYX, Iris, and so on, alongside the professional and the new AI flagship models by Topaz, Starlight, Starlight Mini, Starlight Fast, Ria, Iris, Proteus, NYX, and Iris. Each model deduct credits based on something what you want. Once you select all the parameters, click on the render. Now on the top right side, you can see here all the processing, what's going on. Go back to home interface and access your processed video by click on the Q tab or by click on the my videos. I recommend you to click on Q. Once your video processed, you can access from here slider as well as side by side comparison here. You can see and the preview you can download as well from here. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. I'm one and the only top creator for the video enhancer, new apps as well as the updates. So this is basically the Astra. In the Astra, we have the multiple AI models available, and the Starlight model improve a lot of details as well as remove the noise. So as you can see here, I will download it and let me show you the comparison. Starlight AI model is one of the best. Bring the natural details very close to natural or the original video. It's not the AI or the overall mean over sharpening using the AI techniques which will be on the rise these days with the video enhancers. I reviewed a lot of, so I know that. Also improves the resolution very well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is the video for today. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you soon with the new video.